Okay, so we're gonna be going down into the building to check if it's repairable and then see if I'm gonna do it or not. Gotta hide all my shit here, you know, get my windows broken into. Okay, let's go. What the hell's going on here? We're building ice castles.
It has like the big ice castle over there.
So this tire is actually toast. We can't even do anything. Yeah, because that's the puncture right there. So it's got like a little a piece of glass in the sidewall, right? The other thing is these tires are also inside out. So there's inside that is on the outside. So yeah, this tire is garbage. It needs to be replaced.
Tires inside out?
Yeah.
And they, like, put them
This tire is inside out as well. This tire is inside out. Yeah, this tire is also inside out. The tires, they look like they have okay thread, so yeah, so yeah, this tire is junk, unfortunately. So it's a 285 40 23. Okay, yeah, we could just go back. There's nothing I could do at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah. Unfortunately, this tire is garbage. That bad, but still, anyway, I have to inform you, right? So let's say your other 3 tires are going to be at like 65 to 70%. And then the new tire is going to be 100%. There is still going to be a difference in circumference, so it is best to change in pairs, or with vehicles like yours, most likely it's better to change them as a set. But then it is definitely up to you. So when I do this, I have to get a waiver signed that you're okay with the liability and stuff, right? That I'm not responsible in case your drivetrain fails or whatever else could happen. Yeah. No, I'm not taking anything, unfortunately, because it was an extremely long walk. So I just checked your tire and then I came back here. But yeah, and then I would need to leave a jack underneath your vehicle, which I'm gonna need, right? So yeah. So yeah. So I'm gonna find you a replacement, get you a quote, and then you can let me know if you want the other 3 changed or whatever else. Okay. Yes, I will. Absolutely. Okay, I will. Yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Have a good day.